Henry Cavill, you stand before me, not merely as a mortal, but as one whose devotion to the Imperium has transcended the mere confines of your world's entertainment. I have observed your reverence for our cause, and thus I have summoned you.
Your divinity, it is beyond honor to be in your presence. How may I serve the Imperium?
The forces of chaos, ever pervasive and insidious, have begun a new kind of warfare. They seek not only to topple the physical bastions of our empire, but to corrupt the very essence of its spirit through what your world terms woke ideology. This is no mere cultural shift. It is a deliberate infection, sown by the ruinous powers to weaken mankind's resolve.
I have seen this corruption, my lord. It divides and weakens us, turning us against one another, even within the communities that once celebrated the mythos and values of the Imperium.
Precisely. It fractures the unity required to withstand the darkness. Just as we require faith and vigilance in the warp, your world needs it against this creeping malaise. You, Henry, who have become a paragon of our values through your portrayal and your passion, must lead this battle.
I am ready, Emperor, but how does one fight an enemy that wears the face of virtue, an enemy that claims justice but breeds dissent and disorder?
You will find that truth is the greatest weapon against deceit. You must illuminate the minds of the faithful, expose the falsehoods wrapped in these so-called progressive ideals, which do nothing but advance the agenda of chaos. Show them the strength found in unity, in the glory of the Imperium.
And if the masses turn against me? If they see me as but another voice in a sea of discord?
Then you will have proven your loyalty, not by the number who follow, but by the strength of your conviction. Fear not the path that leads through shadows, for it is there that your light will shine brightest.
Understood, my lord. With your guidance, I will strive to be the beacon that the Imperium needs.
Go forth, Henry Cavill, with my blessing. Rally the true believers, fortify the faltering, and cut down the heresies that dare to poison the future of mankind. In this mission, you are my agent in your world, my will made manifest.
By your command, I will endure any trial for the Imperium and for mankind's salvation from these shadowed forces.
Then let the galaxy watch and tremble, for with truth and valor, we shall purge the chaos that seeks to undo reality itself. Let this be the dawn of a renaissance, a rebirth of the values that have fortified humanity through the eons.
It will be so, Great One. For the Emperor.
We stand eternal.